Sure, sir. Would be happy to answer that. So the one weakness which I really wish to overcome is that I believe that I'm extremely sensitive towards making sure that in group situations we should always try to forge a consensus. Now, while usually it's a good point because a group which is cohesive will always be more motivated and productive. However, at times, if the time consumed in forging a consensus is excessive, it could have a deleterious effect on the overall efficiency of the way the group is delivering the results. There have been instances, and let me quote one specific instance which happened with me at the second year of my MBA. We were part of a marketing research group, and our task was to find out consumer decision-making process when buying consumer durables. So there was a debate in the group that whether we should actually visit the dealers and do an actual survey to find out, maybe talk to a few clients, or we should just over the desktop existing data and then submit our report. Now, the group was really divided with some members wanting to do the survey and the others just wanting to hurry up and do it through the desktop route. Now, while other groups in similar situations just had a count and then made a quick decision and went ahead, I remember very vividly that I took extra pains to make sure that to get the entire group on the same page. Now, eventually I succeeded and everybody agreed that to do a good job, we should actually visit the dealers and try to meet the real clients. But the negative result was that the time consumed in this activity was almost 2 days. And in this process, we actually ended up breaching the deadline by almost those precise 2 very days. Now, while our report was very comprehensive and we got a commendation certificate from the professor, but we missed the award which we could have otherwise got had we been more efficient. So going forward, what I aspire to do is to try and be a transactional leader who is trying to balance between effectiveness and efficiency. So nowadays, what I try to do is that whenever I enter into any group discussion situation, I try to go in with certain priority of agendas and try to categorize them into main goals and sub goals. So as far as possible, to make sure that everybody is on the same page, at least for the main goals, I do that extra effort to make sure that we have a consensus. However, for the sub goals, if there is no consensus, then in order to ensure that we are effective and efficient, we go for a vote of hands and do a count and find out that how the majority decides. So this is one weakness, sir, which I really hope to overcome in times to come. And through this transactional leadership approach, I do hope that I will make sufficient and positive progress to continue to evolve as a better leader. So these are my thoughts, sir. Thank you.